Niobium crystallizes in a body-centered cubic structure. If density is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, calculate the atomic radius of niobium using its atomic mass 93. So they are asking to calculate as atomic radius. So what are the inputs given here? Let us write. So BCC, first point, it is BCC. BCC means, so it contains two atoms, right? So that it shows that Z is equal to 2, right? Then density D is equal to 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, right? And mass they had given us 93, right? So we know that D is equal to Z term by A cube Na, right? This we know very well, right? So now we know that for BCC there is a relation between A and R, that is root 3A is equal to 4R. For BCC, root 3A is equal to 4R. So from this, if we know the value of A, we can find out the value of R. So for that, we have to find out the value of A, right? So let us rearrange this formula to find out A. So this can be rearranged to A cube is equal to Z term by D into Na, right? Simply substituting the values here. Z is nothing but 2 here, M, the mass, that is 93 here, by D, density 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, right? So A cube is equal to these things. So if we equate this equation, you will get the value that A is equal to 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So from these values, from these simplification, we can get the value of A is equal to 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter, right? Already we have the equation root 3A is equal to 4R. For simplification, the value of root 3 is equal to 1.73, right? So 1.73 into A, 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter is equal to 4R. That is, here it is root 3A is equal to, just I am substituting the value here, root 3 value is 1.73 into A value, and that is equal to 4R. So we can bring R here. So R is equal to 1.73 into 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Values divided by 4. Then R is equal to, finally it is 1.432 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So if you simplify this, you can get the formula. So this is the final value. We found out the value of R, right? Again, let us start from the beginning. Right. So niobium crystallizes in a BCC cubic center. Density has been given, D has been given, and R, we have to calculate the R, atomic radius of niobium, and it has given M has been given, that is the mass, the atomic mass value given. So we know that in BCC the number of atoms is 2. So D is equal to density we get written, mass we get written. So by using the relation D is equal to Zm by A cube Na, we have to find out the value of A here. To find out root 3 A is equal to 4R. It is a relation between R and A in BCC. So to substitute in this equation, we have to find out the value of A. So we are rearranging this equation according to A. So A cube is equal to Zm by D of Na. So by substituting the values here, we can get the value of A as 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter, and root 3 value for simplification it has been taken as 1.73. So substituting in root 3A is equal to 4R in this formula. Root 3A is equal to 4R. So root 3A, that is equal to 1.73 into 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8, that is equal to 4R. So taking the R on LHS, R is equal to 1.73 into 3.30 into 10 to the power of minus 8 by 4. So finally we are getting the value of R. That's it.